Hey everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to make your own turtle pin. You're going to need two things. One is a sheet of origami paper, that's white on one side, green on the other, and you're also going to need a safety pin. We're going to put this aside. Both of these materials you can find on the posters around the school. If you can't find them or if they're empty, come see me or Yolanda and we'll hand it to you. So first you're going to start with the paper and you're going to fold the side onto the other, and you should fold it in half like that and it'll be a line through the middle. Turn it 90 degrees and do the exact same thing, so you'll end up with a plus sign on your page. Perfect. Now you're going to fold it diagonally, so fold your page in half along the side, and then you're going to do that again. So once you've done that, your paper should look something like this. There's a plus sign and then a cross as well. So now you're going to fold it diagonally again, like that. And then you're going to fold one of these triangles down in front, and the other triangle is going to go behind. So one goes in front and one goes behind. And from the bottom, it looks like that. Okay, now you're going to turn it to the bottom and open it from the bottom. So you can take the front, take the back, open it, and then squish it the other way. And now it looks kind of like a mountain. If you look from the bottom, it looks like that. Okay, now that you have your mountain, on each corner, there should be 4 flappy corners. For each of these corners, you're going to want to fold this up to the tip of the mountain, like that. And then you want to repeat this step for all 4 corners. And once you've done that, it should look something like this. It should be a square shape, and then all of these flappy bits are folded up on both sides. So once you've done that, unfold these flappy bits, and this is going to be the very difficult part. So you want to fold this side in, but you don't want it to touch the line completely. Notice the top, leave a tiny bit of gap. This is the head. If you don't leave the gap, the head is going to be very, very small. At the bottom, it should touch the line. So the top, leave a gap, bottom, touch the line. And then press this down. Again, take the side, fold it in, bottom touch the line, top leave a little gap. And you want to do this for all 4 sides. So this side as well, top leave a gap, bottom touch the line. So once you have done that, it should look like this, kind of like a arrowhead shape. And the top, you see there's a bit of a gap, but the bottom, they overlap and that's fine. And you do that on both sides. Okay. Now, this is probably the hardest bit. So you see this line from one of the previous folds. You're going to fold this line backwards. So you're going to crease it the other way, and it should look like that. And you're going to bring the flap up towards the tip, and you're going to line it up with the tip, and then press it down. Again, this line, crease it the other way, lift it up, line it up with the tip, and crease it. Same with all 4 of the other sides. So this line here, crease it the other way, pull the bottom up, line it up with the top, and push it down. Like that. And you want to do this to the other side as well. Okay, I've done that already, and it looks like this. So all 4 sides, they're pointy bits to the very top. Looks kind of like a flower. Okay, now you're going to take 2 of them, like this one, I'm going to choose this one, and the one behind it. So you're going to take these 2 and you're going to fold it down, all the way down, flush with the paper. So now you should have one side that's going up and the other side going down. Now you're going to bend the side going down over across itself, and it should go in the middle of this triangle here. So this triangle should be around in the middle, and there should be a bit of a gap here. And you're going to do this on both sides. Okay. So once you've bent it, you want to bend it back the other way. So this goes back. And same with the other side. So notice I started like that. I bent it over and I bent it back. Okay. And now I want to make a diagonal fold so this bends all the way down. So I'm going to take this and then fold it like that. So it was originally like this. I'm going to fold it down like that so it's vertical. And same with the other side. Okay, so now it's vertical. All right, so for the next step, it'll be very handy if you have some very small object that you can get in there. I have a toothpick here. So this little triangle here, lift it up so it's poking up, and then you're going to poke inside, or you can use your fingers as well. Poke inside the flaps, and then press it down. So this will be the flippers at the back, like that. So it should make this diamond shape. Press down. Okay, same with the other side. I'm gonna lift this bit up a bit, and then press down. Okay, go. So that's done with the back flippers. So now we're gonna do the front. So the front, we still have two of these flappy things that are pointing up. So this time, instead of going across, we're gonna go to the side like that. And same with the other side. To the side like that. And now almost everything is done. We're going to unfold both sides. So unfold both sides and press them together. Now you'll see the turtle is taking shape, and you want to flip to the side where the front of the legs are. So you see this is the back, and then you want to flip to the front. So again, we're going to do a very similar thing. You're going to poke into the front flippers and press them down. So fold them and then press them down like that. Same with this side. So open them up and then press them down. Okay, so these are front flippers. And now for the head, you're gonna turn it back around to the bottom and then fold the head down like that. So now we're making the neck. Once you folded it down, you want to leave a bit of a gap and then fold it back up. So head goes down and then fold it back up. So there should be a bit of a gap here. And then we're gonna fold the very tip down so the front of the head is flat. And there, one last step, you can crease these side pieces inward to make the neck. So if you crease them in, so you start like that, and then crease them in like that. Okay, and now you have the head, and you can adjust it a bit, and now the turtle is done. If you want to add a pin to it, open it up and put the pin from the bottom here, around where the neck is. Be careful, don't poke yourself. And then now you have your turtle pin. Congratulations, there you go. So if you decide to make your own, you can get them at the posters around the school. And if you do, make sure you post a picture of yourself wearing your turtle pin on your Instagram story and tag our Instagram, tag vote Raymond, vote Yolanda -Raymond, and then we will feature you on our story. Thank you.